Okay, hey, welcome back. Here we go again. This is like the eighth take on this. Anyway, after I was reviewing the Wyze color bulb, I noticed it was not connecting with Alexa, and so I started reading, trying to figure out how to get it to do that. And I found out there was just a ton of people having problems with this. Pardon me, let me take a sip of water. Okay. There was a lot of people having problems with this. And what happens is when you download the Wyze app, it automatically integrates with Alexa. And in my case, it did also, but she was not responding. And so one of the things it tells you to do is go to your Wyze app, go to accounts, and go to smart integrations. And then from smart integrations, it'll show it up there. And mine says, congratulations, your Wyze account is now linked with, and I'm not going to say her name because she'll start talking and she's nosy. You can control your devices in the app or using voice commands. Okay, well it was in there, but it wasn't working. So then it tells you to go to her app, and I did. And then it said, go to skills and games. And you're going to go up here to the search. And type in Wyze. And when I did, these things popped up. And I tried them. They didn't work. So I got frustrated, and I'm kind of a nerd anyway, and I worked for AOL for years and years. I went on to Amazon and I put in a app to become a Amazon A developer, and I was accepted. So, but that's not what did it. I just got in there to read different messages and stuff to figure this problem out. And so I'm going to show you how to do it. You're going to want to go there we go. And you're going to want to sign in there. I'm not going to show you my password. Anyway, this is what that looks like in there. And this is your regular app, except it's on the computer. Because smartphones just make smart people dumb. Anyway, on here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 one down. Right there. Where it says skills. And then you're going to come up to categories. And you're going to type in Wyze. Okay, and two things are going to pop up. One says Wyze, and it's only got like 2.5 stars, and the other one below it's Ring, and it's got like 4 stars. But you're going to click on the first one. Now, up here in the top right-hand corner, you see Disable Skill. That's what you want to click on. Trust me. And then you want to wait a couple of minutes, and then you're going to, after you disable the skill, get out of that, and then you're going to, after a couple of minutes, you're going to go back in and enable the skill. And when I went back in and enabled the skill, I couldn't believe it. Alexa, turn off desk lamp.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on front lamp.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on bedroom light.
Okay.
Pardon my mess. I left for the eye doctor at 4 o'clock this morning. Alexa, turn off the bedroom lamp.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on lamp.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off lamp.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off front light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on desk lamp.
Okay.
Now there's a delay in there because Wyze is still using the algorithms. Everything goes to Amazon and then comes back to your for whatever you told it to do. But it will actually look in my cameras and everything else. You know, so it does work. It works great. And I just wanted to get you guys because I noticed there were so many people. I mean, wow, there was a lot of people. And maybe they'll go in there because if you look in YouTube, you don't find very much on it. I mean, you see reviews, but you don't see the setup part like I just showed you. And I think that's where a lot of people are having problems is the setup part. And some of it says check your router and make sure that they're both on the same router and stuff, which I did because I have 2 routers. I have one that is for my phone and the other is for the internet and stuff. So anyway, but I made sure I've actually got 2 routers, but 3 or 4 show up when I click on available routers, which I've got a couple of what do you call them? Transmitters or retransmitters, whatever you want to call it. because I was not. I even did a segment on that because I was not getting any Wi-Fi back in my bedroom, so I had to get some retransmitters. So anyway, I hope this helps someone out, and if it does, be sure and click a like. If you've got any questions or comments, put them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them, and hit those likes, and don't forget to hit the subscribe. I need subscribers big time because it's weird. I'll look one morning or something, and I'll have subscribers, and then later on that afternoon, I'll see where a bunch of them just left, and I'm like, I haven't even put out another video. What are they doing? But it's actually, it doesn't bother me. I mean, it's actually the views that matter the most. Let's see. You can't buy happiness, but you can play the drums. It's about the same thing. Yeah, that's. Uncle Roger and Auntie Helen. There's no law. Anyway, I've got 20,326 views. And, but under the analytics and stuff, I've got, I really do need some more subscribers. I think I've got, let me see here, 2,367 subscribers. And, anyway, I hit over 1,000 months ago, and I also had, over 4,000 watch hours, and I don't know, something weird happened, and maybe I've still got them. They're just on a different page, or I think I do because someone showed me how to get there, and I did have over 4,000 still. But anyway, I wanted to show y'all how to get that light to or that bulb to work. And on top of that, you can actually tell it to dim itself or brighten. See, I'll see if this will work in here. Alexa, dim desk lamp.
Okay.
Okay.
What
Alexa,
do you want me to play?
Alexa, dim desk lamp to 20%.
What do you want me to play?
I want you to dim the desk lamp.
Okay.
Alexa, 100% desk lamp.
Okay.
Anyway, I found some pretty cool things. As far as that goes, you can actually wake up and set routine, like sleep routine or something, and wake up with the light being dimmed in over like a 30-minute period, it'll go brighter and brighter and brighter. And plus you can, if you wanted to, you could just set certain theme. That's pretty cool. So you need to think about getting more of these lights, and I hope this helped you out. And if it did, like I say, give me a thumbs up, and you can comment down below, or if you got a question, put it in the comment. And anyway, if you're in a, be sure and hit subscribe. I need subscribers. Like I said, if you're in a warm place, go swimming. If you're in a cold place, snuggle up. And we hope to see you here again soon. Love y'all. Bye.